Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me is the NASDAQ 100 futures chart. What a trading session it has been today in Wall Street. Of course, we had the terrible news when we woke up this morning that Russia has now gone ahead and invaded the Ukraine. I kind of touched on this earlier on in the NASDAQ 100 video, but when I did that video earlier on this morning, we were trading down near 13,100. I think the swing lows for the day were all the way down at 13,034. So we did kind of briefly touch that 13,000 area, which I did mention that I kind of expected us to go on target there. I think when I did the video this morning, we were actually trading at 13,150. Sorry, and I said that I do anticipate a move further down towards 13,000. That big round number of 13,000, as we did find support here back in May 2021. I've also, guys, been kind of comparing the chart at this moment in time to what occurred back in 2017. For those who haven't seen it yet, we kind of formed this ABC correction, and for those who do not know, it's the C leg, so this leg here must always end below the A leg, and from the lows of that A leg, that very similar looking candlestick that appeared for us in 2022 on January the 24th is very similar to one that occurred here on January the 20th, so only 4 days prior back in 2016. So we did actually get a 3.44% move below that January 20th low, and then eventually we did march our way all the way back up towards those all-time highs. And then the rest is history. We continue to trade a lot higher, but where we're trading right now and how I was comparing that to where we are currently trading is, we've had that A leg. If I just zoom out on this candle, sorry. So of course we had the A leg. We've just gone and broken below it, kind of taking out the chances for that W for forming pattern candlestick. And at this moment in time, we are, we're pretty much level with the A leg, but earlier on this morning we were about 5% below the A leg. So 5%, very, very similar looking pattern of a chart there compared to the 2016 movement that occurred here in the NASDAQ 100. And if we were to copy what occurred in 2016, you will likely see a nice move towards the upside. Although it's very, very scary on days like today, it's very important to understand that the stock market actually typically doesn't react in a very negative way when there has been previous wars. Now, of course, this war is very, very different. It's Russia, one of the largest countries in the world, and of course their capabilities with regards to the military are a lot more severe to what most Middle Eastern countries have, for example. And also Russia hold the second largest amount of nukes, and Putin come out last night with his TV press conference and said that if any Western countries intervene with regards to the invasion to the Ukraine, then then these Western countries will then see a retaliation like they've never seen before, pretty much hinting nukes. So very, very serious indeed, but it's good to see the NASDAQ 100 forming this hammer candlestick. Is it the sign of the bottom? To be honest with you, I do not know, and I would not be surprised to see us trade in the red tomorrow, as it's Friday. Anything can happen going into the weekend, and look what happened during the last hammer candlestick. We actually turned around and nearly retested that last hammer candlestick that formed on the 24th of January. So if that was to be the same case here, we could potentially see another swing towards the downside where we perhaps going to trade 13,200. But one thing that is good about today's trading session is that it's given us a brand new swing low. If we take out 13,034, then of course that's going to be very, very negative for the NASDAQ 100 moving forward. And you could look potentially for a move down towards 12,500, even 12,000. RSI is all the way down at 37, so that gives us plenty of territory to move towards the upside. I do like the NASDAQ 100 medium to longer term. Short term though, it's going to be very, very volatile, and I don't really want to trade it. And that is going to wrap it up for today's video. But just before I let you leave, I just want to quickly show you our brand new streaming service. We've recently launched this website that you can see in front of you. This is where we provide in-depth analysis videos as well as trading signals via our Telegram group chat. Once subscribed, you'll then have access to all of our in-depth analysis videos as well as access to our private Telegram group chat. We cover various markets such as commodities, US stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. We also have a video category where we provide educational content so that you can improve your trading skills. If this sounds appealing to you, then you can find our website link in the description of this YouTube video at dailymarketmovements.com. If not, then I would just like to take this time to say thank you for watching today's YouTube video. Please give my channel a subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again soon.